I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nigerian stew with fresh tomatoes full guide. Begin by roasting fresh tomatoes, peppers, and onions until skins char slightly, then blend to a smooth paste. Use medium heat so the skins blacken but flesh stays juicy, and cool slightly before blending to avoid steam burns. Adjust pepper ratio now to control heat and preserve bright tomato flavor for the stew base. Warm, conversational tip. Measure your spices and taste as you go to avoid oversalting. Heat your chosen oil until shimmering, then fry the blended tomato paste slowly to reduce acidity and water content. Add a small spoon of concentrated tomato for color, then layer seasonings in stages so each melds properly. Keep stirring to prevent burning and watch for the oil to separate from the tomato when it's nearly ready. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Droplet O'ala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and prevents spills while cooking, perfect for long stew sessions. I've mentioned it because staying hydrated matters when you're near hot stoves and spicy peppers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. After your tomato base reduces and the oil begins to separate, add seared protein like chicken, beef, or lab-grown alternatives for a robust stew. Pour enough stock to cover, then simmer gently to allow collagen and spices to meld, stirring occasionally. Taste and adjust seasoning near the end, then fold in fresh basil or spinach for brightness. Let the stew rest briefly off heat so flavors settle before serving hot with rice or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.